Do you want to make simple meals at the campsite, but you're tired of settling for hot dogs and lunch meat sandwiches? In this video, I'm sharing 10 of my favorite simple camping recipes. They are so tasty, you're going to feel like you're indulging yourself. Stick around to the end. I'm going to share one of my favorite tricks for pulling off delicious meals on every single trip. Number 1, pesto tortellini bake freezer meal. I can prepare these make-ahead freezer meals up to 3 months in advance of a trip. I love using plastic freezer bag holders that hold the bag perfectly so I'm not making a mess as I'm funneling food into the bag. Make sure you get all the air out and seal it tight to lay it in the freezer. At camp, I just leave myself enough time to defrost it, dump, and bake. It bakes in just 45 minutes. Number 2, Cajun chicken foil packets. These things are fast, delicious, and moist. If you're looking for healthy campfire meals, you're in the right place. To make these really easy for campsite cooking, you can do the prep ahead at home. You just need to chop some of the veggies and cube the meat. Then just store everything in sealed food storage containers in your refrigerator. At camp, you just need to build everything on top of the foil packet, seal it, cook it, and you're eating. Number 3, campfire goulash. The Italian flavors in this recipe are bold, tasty, and easily achieved with simple ingredients. I use Italian sausage instead of ground beef to bring extra flavor to this meal. My family loves this old-fashioned comfort food. It takes only 5 minutes to prep. There's no need to boil pasta in a separate pot of boiling water. It cooks right with the other ingredients all in one pot for this simple meal. Number 4, s'mores brownies. They are ooey gooey and completely delicious. I like lining my Dutch oven with a parchment paper liner for super easy cleanup. I have a video that shows you how to make your own for just pennies. I'll leave a link in the description below. Number 5, 3-ingredient Caesar chicken. This recipe uses simple ingredients that require no prep time. The result, an easy, creamy, one-pot meal. You're going to brown the chicken, add a little creamy Caesar salad dressing, and bake until the chicken is cooked through. The amount of flavor that a prepared salad dressing can bring to a dish is absolutely incredible. Subscribe to get more recipes and tips. If you like these ideas, I'd love a thumbs up. Number 6, camping pancake mix, also known as my plastic bag pancake hack. You'll prepare the dry mixture at home in the plastic bag. Then when you get to the campsite, you'll add the wet ingredients. Mix them together right in the bag. Then clip off a corner and pipe the mix directly into your skillet or your pancake griddle. At the end, there's no dirty bowl or whisk to clean, and you will have the fluffiest, most delicious homemade pancakes you've ever had at the campsite. Number 7, kettle beef with a simple homemade gravy. This meat, potatoes, and gravy is a classic dish, and it's one of my family's favorite meals. This recipe is quick to prep with easy ingredients. It does use a beef chuck roast, so that means even though this recipe cooks for a while, you really don't have to do anything. You're just letting the meat simmer in a totally delicious sauce so it gets fork tender and is full of flavor. Number 8, camping breakfast sandwiches. These savory breakfast sandwiches are the perfect way to start your day. They require minimal prep and have a fast cooking time. You can hit the hiking trail before sunrise. I like serving my sandwich with bacon or a breakfast sausage. But if you want to make it even faster, use Canadian bacon. You don't even have to cook it. I like serving this with a big glass of orange juice and a side of fresh fruit. What's your favorite easy breakfast? Leave a comment below. Number 9, grilled Dijon chicken. This recipe is so simple. You just grill some chicken. What's so special about that? It's the homemade marinade that you're going to make. Dijon mustard brings in a rich tanginess. It's balanced with a mild garlic taste and a touch of heat from a jalapeno pepper. You can make this marinade at home, refrigerate it, and bring it to the campsite, so it's really easy to marinate the chicken when you're ready to use it. Number 10, Shredded beef burritos. This dinner is so easy, it'll be on your table in just 20 minutes. How can you possibly get shredded beef burritos on the table in just 20 minutes? The answer? You use pre-cooked meat. Tap the screen to see how I make my delicious 2-ingredient crock-pot shredded beef. I'll show you one of the easiest ways to pre-cook and store meat for your upcoming camping trips.